Brynawel's been offering treatment for substance use disorder and alcohol-related brain damage for 47 years.
So Brynawel is critical really because it gives people the opportunity to get their lives back on track, just make a new life for themselves. Forming a relationship with somebody is going to be the main ethos here at Brynawel. And then built on top of that, we use cognitive behavioural therapy. We look at diet, nutrition and exercise. This isn't just about not drinking or using drugs anymore. This is about behavioural and lifestyle change.
The nicest thing for me was the chance to be who I was always supposed to be. All those years of being someone else was because of my addiction. Each and every member of staff here had a significant role in helping me get better. My connection with every single one of them was amazing.
The people who work in Brynawel believe that you can have sustained recovery from using substances and you can find a joyful and meaningful life. The teams here, they always go the extra mile.
Maen nhw'n neud siŵr fod ti'n neud y gwaith, ond hefyd maen nhw'n really sympathetic a maen nhw'n pobl efo lot o calon yn gweithio yma. Mae'r support da ni wedi cael yma yn just arferchog. Da ni angen chlefydd fel hyn. Da ni really angen chlefydd fel hyn.